My people, well done. Abeg make una call, make I give you one sweet gist. My name na Dr. Toyin. Say today na International Men's Day. Yes, so na special day when dem put for calendar so that we go tell men say, guy, you sef you matter. And this year the theme na celebrating men and boys. Dem wan recognize all the good things wey men and boys dey do for house, for work, and for their community. Because if we not celebrate men today, now when we go take celebrate them? Na Christmas, abeg left matter. First of all, make we hail all the papa when go fix generator, then go wear slippers, tie towel for waist. Too much. Abi na that uncle where they drive, one hand they steering, the other hand they find radio station. I hail you now. Abi na the boy when as you don't hear say your mama they come, you go quick wash plates when you suppose don't wash since morning. Now you be the real MVP. For house men they try you, then go fix pipe when they leak. Even after 2 days the thing go leak again, but then go fix am. Abi na the chair when then go put together, the thing not stand well, but person go still sit down on top am. For work, man go hustle like saying they do Olympics. You go get meeting, you go get stress, hunger go catch am. Then when you won't even go house, you go say but still then go do work. Abi na those when they village or community, when then go they volunteer, then go they teach small boys good things. Some they even join WhatsApp group. When we say 5 a.m, they go just send one message. Good morning, no, happy new week, happy new month. Get patience pass. Make we yarn something. Men sef, they need care. They need support. They need person when go ask them once in a while, my guy, you don't chop, you dey okay. Not be every time man suppose dey strong like cement. Say rest dey important, mental health dey important, and talk your mind when something dey there. Go remove your beard. So today, make we celebrate good men and boys. When they try, then they contribute, then they make life better for everybody. And if you be the man, you, where are the point to? We hail you now. Even if your life not perfect, even if you still dey figure things, they try. Abeg, we hail you now today. Make sure say you watch this video, subscribe to my channel. And if you be man or you get man for your life when do better thing, abeg yarn us for comment section. Remember say make we hail our men today. And until next time, smile because it dey healthy. Bye bye.